Are you ready? Can you see it? Wave, then stop. You're shaking a lot. I drove the car to the repair shop. They didn't even check it. Said my spark plugs need changing. Quoted 460. I said my car's only done 20-30 km. You want me to change the plugs? Why not try fixing it? So I drove the car away. I've got time today. I'll do it myself. See if I can save some money. Let's solve this problem. First, turn off the engine. Take out the spark plugs. Let's see what's going on. First, unplug the wire. Use a wrench to remove these 4 screws. This wrench is common. Hardware stores, 5 cents each. Screws out. Now remove the ignition coil. Use a socket. Sockets are cheap. Hardware stores, few bucks. Turn counterclockwise. See? It comes out easily. Let's check it. Wow, these plug heads are quite dirty. Don't rush to replace them. Save money. Watch how I fix this. We'll do all 4 plugs. Okay, all 4 plugs are out now. Now the secret trick, get some solvent from the kitchen. This solvent is cheap. Supermarkets, 3, 5 bucks.
Soak the plugs in solvent to clean carbon deposits. See? Carbon's already coming off the plug tips. Let's wait 5 minutes. Okay, time's up. Let's look. Wow, look at all that carbon. See? All that carbon's been cleaned off. Let's check the plugs. Look, good as new. Now let's try and reinstall them. Okay, plugs are all back in. Now the ignition coil. Tighten the screws. Tighten them well. Finally, plug the wire back in. All done up front. Let's start the engine and check. Hey folks, if this fixed it, give me a star. Witness the miracle. Brakes, candy, 3, 2, 1, go. See? Smooth as silk. Let's check up front. No shaking at all. Perfect. Runs like a dream. Thanks for watching.